So hi everyone, my name is Paritosh and I am a civil engineer. But from the very beginning I was interested to become a software engineer, for which I joined Skyy Rider Institution, and I heard it gives 100% placement. So I joined. I did a post-graduation program for 10 months on full stack development. In that course I learned front-end development, back-end development, database, mobile application, web development and AWS and many more. Placement faculties are really good. They just not just only say about the placement, they really do. And my friends are also got placed in many companies, and now I am proud to say that I am a software engineer. At the time of course, I used to do the internship in the company itself, so there was no career gap. During the internship I worked with 6 clients, and it was an immense pleasure that the software I worked with that are live in the markets now. I strongly recommend you to join Skyy Rider Institutions to become a successful software engineer or full stack developer. Thank you.